Who's knocking so hard? I'll check.
No, Arjun, I'll check. Arjun, let's check through the window.
But why are you so scared? Someone might be here for work also.
What would someone need so late in the night? Diya, Arjun, open the door. Deepika? Someone has been knocking at the door for so long. Who could it be so late in the night? Even mom dad will wake up because of the sound.
I'll just go and see.
Open the door. Just open the door. Call Diya. Open the door. Call Diya. What did you say? Pride, huh? I'll destroy your pride.
Ay! Ah! Ah! You?
Yes, me.
What are you doing here?
You have a new neighbor. So I thought we should introduce him to you.
Get out of here.
Oh, just wait. Why are you so angry, huh? Respect our old relationship at least. And now we are neighbors. We live in the next street only.
All right. Understood. Now leave.
Who talks to guests at his home like this? Please be a little polite, sir. By the way, I was eager to meet you so much that I could not wait until morning also. That's why I came here. Well, your family has suffered a lot. I felt very bad to hear it, huh?
Don't worry about that. I'll deal with it.
By the way, how's Diya? Call her, please. Tell her that her old lover is over here.
Hey! Stay within your limits.
Limits? This is not your mansion, Mr. Arjun. This is my neighborhood. And over here, I am more worthy than you. Got it? Well, I don't believe in status and position. In my opinion, we have always been on the same level. To marry Diya, I worked so hard. That girl is now your wife. Call her!
Wait a minute. Where are you going? Wait a minute.
Call her out! Where is she? Call her out quickly. Where is my ex-fiancé? Oh, sorry. Diya Arjun Agarwal.
Listen, it's too late. Everyone is asleep. We'll talk tomorrow morning. I'll meet wherever you want. Just don't create a scene now. Please leave.
Now, what kind of a way is this? Who talks to a guest at home like this? All right, then. I will go. But... only after I meet Diya. I will ask her. What did she get by rejecting me and choosing you? What did she get? This rented house? Looking at this rented house, I think she would have been happier had she been with me. Right? What say?
Ajit, if you take Diya's name once again, you'll get into trouble.
I will take her name for sure. Before you, I had a right on her. Mrs. Diya Agarwal? Mrs. Diya Agarwal? Where are you? Look, I'm here.
Hey!
Come out. Where are you? Mrs. Diya Agarwal? Look, I'm here.
Ajit, you?
Stop there. Don't marry this man. Please, uncle. Please call off this wedding.
Stop it! You have done enough drama here. Hey, get out of here. Come on! What you had to say, you have spoken. And what I had to hear, I have heard. Now get out. Hey, get him out of here. Let me see who stops this wedding today.
Keep quiet. I will not go anywhere until you leave the venue.
You have no clue, Arjun, how powerful I am. Just once, if I show you how much power I have, then you will keep running around the whole city.
That also I'll deal with. Now go away from my life and this place. Once and for all.
I will not leave until I marry Diya. I've done a lot for this girl. I can't lose her. I will not let her go. Hey, Mohan. Do you hear me? What are you looking at? Diya is only mine. Only and only mine.
You can show off your power in front of your henchmen, okay? And you're threatening me as you know that politician. But such politicians visit my house daily. I'm Arjun Agarwal. Ask any police officer who I am and what I do. Or you can ask that politician. He'll tell you.
Just meet me outside once. I will cut you in so many pieces.
You'll cut me into pieces. Huh. Did you see that? All of you. This is your so-called son-in-law's real side. Now you tell me, will you marry your daughter to this petty goon?
Yes, me. Your beloved Ajit. How are you? But you look quite poor now. You look exactly like you were before your marriage. You remember your condition when you came here from Jamshedpur? I agreed to marry you as I took pity on your condition. But you betrayed me to marry this rich man. And look what has happened today. The man you betrayed me for is himself out on the streets. Well, nothing has changed yet, I'm telling you. Come back to me. And I will keep you happier than him.
Ajit, get out of here,
What will
otherwise...
you do?
Diya, go inside.
No, Arjun. Today, I will answer him. You are here to meet me, You want to know how I am? Do you really want to know this? Fine. I will tell you everything today. Look, I am very happy. Very happy. That day, Arjun showed me your real side and saved me from a monster like you. And Ajit, being poor or rich does not define a person. Had that been true, my dad would not have chosen me for you. It is humanity that makes a person good or bad, and which you are not. You can never be good. Even that day, you were a bad person, and even now, you are a bad person. Not just me, any other girl in this world would not marry a disgusting person like you. Do you get that? Now, if you have any shame left, then get out of here. Otherwise, you can tell me. I can talk about you for the entire night. Tell me.
Did you hear what Dia said? If you don't leave, I'll call the police. Understood? Now get out!
No. Wait. Hey, you want to live in this neighborhood, right? So don't act smart with me. Otherwise, I won't ask you before hitting you. Got it?
Really? I think you forgot how I beat you that day. Step back. I said step back.
You don't know who I am. Should I give you my introduction?
Forget about your introduction. If you and your henchmen don't leave within the next 5 minutes, I'll break all the bones in your body. Do you understand? Did I remind you?
Hey, Arjun, I'm telling you.
Arjun!
Arjun!
Arjun, what is going on, dear?
Oh, so he's your dad. Won't you introduce me to him?
I don't need your introduction. Many nincompoops and wretches like you come and work for me. So if you want to be safe, then leave. You have time, leave. Otherwise, my name is enough to tackle with idiots like you.
Hey, look at this old man. He has no money, but he's showing off. It is good that your eldest son cleared your misunderstandings. Now you can do one thing. If you want to sleep here peacefully, then teach your son to behave properly with me.
I think we have to call the police.
Really? Call the cops. Call them. Just call the cops and call them here. I'm right here. Go call the cops. Uncle, I came here to talk politely to you. But you want to fight with me. Well, it is not my fault. No one valued my love ever. I only came here for Diya. And just like last time, I am still willing to help Diya. Her family is like my family.
Ajit, are you leaving or not?
No. We will do breakfast and then go. And why are you talking about going again and again? Talk to me respectfully, got it? I have a lot of respect in this area. And you should also talk nicely to me.
You want love, huh? Right? You want love? Here's my love. Arjun! You want respect? Huh? Here's my respect.
Arjun! Arjun!
What else do you want? Huh? Tell me, what else do you want?
Deepika, give me your phone.
Ajit, get out of here. Otherwise, I'll take a video and make it viral.
Get out of here!
This slap is an addition to what has happened in the past. And I do not keep favors. I will seek revenge on all of you.
Arjun, let them go. We will leave this place.
Mom! They will do nothing. Don't worry.
You will get to know that when something happens.
You will do something only when you will be in the condition to do so. Wait. Deepika, hold this. Ajit, leave! Or else I will break your head. Get out of here. Didn't you hear me? Get out of here.
Diya, let it go. Diya,
Deepika,
what are you
leave.
doing? Leave it.
Relax. Tonight I came here for just the introduction. See what happens tomorrow.
Wait a minute. Who told you to give us your introduction? Love Agarwal or Karan Mathur?
You don't have to know this. You should only think, how will you save your family? Got it? Let's go.
We won't stay here. We will not stay here. They are very dangerous. They can do anything.
Arjun, your mom's fear is right. Today he left. But I'm sure that he'll return very soon. No, Dad. They've been sent here to scare us. That's all.
Who sent them? Karan Mathur?
Excellent. Don't leave any stone unturned in troubling Arjun and his family. It's good. You got relief as well as money by taking revenge. You'll keep getting money if you keep giving me good news. 200,000. You will get more.
You will also keep getting good news, sir. It is your work, but I'll do it with all my heart. When I will do this, It will give my heart a lot of happiness. You will not have any complaints, sir. Now I have got the opportunity to get my revenge. Whether I get the money or not, I'll exact revenge on him. I'll play such a game with him, sir, that he will never be able to play. Let me see how he plays mixed doubles. I'll take your leave, sir.
Karan, what are you doing? Ajit is a two-bit goon. Why are you involving him in our plan? I suggest that you should have someone attack him again and get his legs injured. He won't be able to play. Arjun won't be able to get up.
No, Kavita. He must have become alert after the first attack. I know him. If I get him attacked again, he will produce evidence in front of the police. I can't take this risk. I'll see what to do with Arjun. You concentrate on your game.
Don't worry about that, Karan. Balwinder and I will blow Tia and Arjun out of the water.
Niharika? Anant has sent the papers. Have a look and I find them perfect.
What is perfect in them, Kush? We have no idea about these legal documents. We have to send the papers to Uncle Lahiri. After he checks the paper, he'll tell us whether the deal is undisputed or not. Besides, I don't trust that broker Anant at all.
Yeah, okay. I'll send the papers to Uncle Lahiri, okay? Don't worry. Well, have you thought about telling Love about this deal, huh? Niharika, we don't have much time. If you want to sign this deal alone, then you have to register a new company on your name. Because under Agarwal Industries, you cannot start a business without his permission or without involving him in person. And for a small company, it won't be easy to handle such a big business because you won't get support from the market. Niharika, the sensible thing is to involve Love in this deal. We'll get Mr. Khurana's support. And if you don't involve Love in this, then he'll try his best to stop our business. If a person can cheat his father for his profit, you think he'll spare you?
Correct.